Who wrote the Vedas? The Vedas. Collective wisdom of ancient sages. The Vedas, comprising the Rig Veda, Yajur Veda, Sama Veda, and Atharva Veda, are ancient Hindu scriptures that hold profound spiritual and philosophical knowledge. These texts were not written by a single author but are believed to be the collective wisdom of numerous seers and sages who delved into the mysteries of existence through deep meditation and contemplation. This article explores the origins and authorship of the Vedas, highlighting the role of the ancient sages in their composition and transmission. The role of the ancient sages. The Vedas were not the result of individual creativity or intellectual pursuits but were revelations received by seers known as rishis. These rishis, such as Bhrigu, Angiras, Yajnavalkya, and Gargi, dedicated their lives to seeking profound truths about human existence, the purpose of life, and the nature of the universe. Through intense penance and deep meditation, they attained heightened states of consciousness and experienced divine insights, divine revelation, and composition. During their meditative states, the sages received revelations from the divine. It is believed that God, in response to their sincere quest for knowledge, imparted the sacred truths to them. Inspired by these divine revelations, the rishis composed hymns and texts in the Sanskrit language, expressing the universal truths they had discovered. These hymns were not initially written down but were transmitted orally from teacher to student through a rigorous system of vocal recitation, oral transmission, and compilation. The hymns and texts composed by the ancient sages were passed down through generations via oral transmission. Students would learn directly from their teachers, memorizing the sacred verses and chanting them aloud. This oral tradition ensured the preservation and continuity of the Vedic knowledge for centuries. However, it was the sage Vyasa who played a pivotal role in compiling and organizing the scattered hymns and texts into the four collections known as the Vedas. The compilation by sage Vyasa. Sage Vyasa, also known as Veda Vyasa or Krishna Dvaipayana, is credited with compiling and arranging the Vedas into their present form. Vyasa meticulously collected the hymns and texts that were previously transmitted orally and organized them into four distinct Vedic collections: the Rig Veda, Yajur Veda, Sama Veda, and Atharva Veda. His efforts ensured that the sacred knowledge of the rishis could be preserved and accessible to future generations. Conclusion. The Vedas, revered as the oldest religious texts in the world, are not the product of a single author but the collective wisdom of ancient sages and seers. Through deep meditation and divine revelations, these sages gained profound insights into the fundamental truths of existence. Their hymns and texts, transmitted orally and later compiled by sage Vyasa, form the foundation of Hindu philosophy, spirituality, and religious practices. The Vedas stand as a testament to the spiritual endeavors of these enlightened sages, offering timeless wisdom and guidance to seekers of truth.